Hey guys, so we're going to move on to going kind of back to graphing, I guess, because it's a lesson on approximating solutions. So that means that generally a graph is going to be enough. We're not going to have to do it algebraically, which I'm sure you guys will be happy about. So let's just go through some of these problems. Number one, if f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 8 and g of x equals 1/4 x minus 1, for which value of x is f of x equal to g of x? So I pre-graphed all these, so let's take a look. So we find it here, and we want to see which values are they equal. Well, you just click, and you get negative 1.75 and 4. What is one solution of the accompanying system of equations? So now we have negative x squared plus 5. It's a parabola facing down since it's a negative in front. And negative 0.5x squared plus 3 should look the same. So it says which of the following is a solution? You only got to find the one that works. So we get negative 2, 1 is one intersect, which is an answer. The other choice would have been 2, 1. So we get 3. Number 3 is the same problem. Number 4, two functions, y equals the absolute value of x minus 3 and 3x plus 3y equals 27. Here we go. Okay, it says, which is true about the solution of the system of equations? Well, we see the solution, if we see the intersection, is at, let's see, 6, 3. So 6, 3 is the solution to the system because it satisfies both equations, choice 3. Number 5, if f of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus 2x minus 1 and g of x equals 4x plus 2, find all the solutions. So let's see, we got the x cubed and 4x plus 2. All solutions, well, it looks like actually there are 3. So be careful here. If you don't zoom out enough, you won't see them all. So we got, let's see, to the nearest 10th. So sketch a graph to support your solutions. We'll do that at the end. Find all the solutions where f of x equals g of x rounded to the nearest 10th. So they're just looking for the x values. So you get negative 3.47, which is negative 3.5. Now be careful, there's a lot going on here. See, I clicked that, it says root. That's not what I want. I want the intersection, so I got to zoom in a little. Okay, and then you get negative 0.44, which is negative 0.4. And then the last one, 1.92, which is 1.9. So those are my 3 answers. We put x equals 3.5, x equals negative 0.4, x equals 1.9. And they want a little sketch. All they want you to do is this. Show, let's zoom out a little, see what it looks like. Show what it looks like that. Number 6, 2 more functions. Now this one's going to be interesting because these numbers are really big in this cubic and in this quadratic. Let's see, let's graph them both. I'm going to go full screen here. When I graph them, it's kind of scary. I can't even tell what's happening really. Well, if you click this little, remember, if you click the settings button in the top right and zoom to fit, it zooms it out kind of nice. Now, not great because I can't see where they intersect. And that really didn't do great. I don't really like that. So actually, I'm going to go back, click the menu button in standard view. I'm going to try to find where they intersect on my own. Now, one thing that's really confusing me, these colors are very similar, so I'm going to hit settings and change the color to one of them to blue. Now that made things a lot better. Alright, looks like they have an intersection here. Anywhere else? Let's see. Yeah, it looks like somewhere over here and here. So I got 3 points of intersection. And that was tough. That's tough to see. It says, find all solutions of the equation rounded to the nearest hundredth. So, okay, we got to go back. Let's split screen it. So, and it's kind of nice when you click it, guys, it shows those important dots. So, and it'll say intersect. So we get negative 12.314, which is negative 12.31. We've got, nope. Negative 3.103. which is negative 3.10. And there should be one more we saw. 9.418, which is 9.42, all rounded to the nearest hundredth. Good. Okay, try the last one on your own and see what you come up with for number 7. Please don't just leave it blank because I did not do it. Just graph them and find the answers.